Routes are the scheduled tour assigned to each worker. A route is a predefined worker tour, which includes specific checkpoints that should be visited or scanned during tour or at specific times. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a route. First, navigate to the Patrol tab, and click Routes. On the right-hand corner you should see a button says Create New Record. Click this and you can then add your route planning on this page. To start with, enter a route code, route name, and any relevant notes for internal records. Now select Client and its site so that system fetches all associated and assigned checkpoints for route planning. Next step is to enter sort number in which route has to be performed by a worker. Select the checkpoint, and if required mention it as strict and time-based task. Finally, add an instruction that has to be followed at this checkpoint. Repeat same process to add more checkpoints to prepare your route plan. Once done, press Save Record button and now you see a confirmation message. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, then you can navigate to Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.